chicken took my rent money. Now how am I supposed to pay my bills? Oh! Monkey is after me!
I spent all my monkey money on this new feather conditioner.
Well, awesome. I got this really cool underwater basketball hoop with my monkey money. We have spent all monkey money. Let me see how he will pay tithes and offering. Ha! I saw a chicken at the store. Huh? Really? Quack. Oh, my money. That sneaky chicken. She just ran off with my hard-earned banana. Monkey is coming after me because of my business. Check out these monkey money splurges. I got so many treats.
Second, I'm totally broke. No money left. No place to go. Just me and this bench. What a day.
Chicken must leave my house today.
I am so hungry. I think I need to go back home and apologize to Monkey.
Let me see. If this money can pay my bills. Oh, I'm so angry.
Go back and get my money. You are sorry where? Get out of here. Get out of here. Please,
Leave my house! Leave my house!
please,
You spoil my money!
Monkey,
Go away!
please. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
I guess this is the end.
You can only sleep here one night, and that's it.
I'm so sorry. I was just trying to have some fun.
I need my money back. I know. I spent it, but I'll pay you back.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again. All right. You're forgiven.
No, you're sorry. You can stay. But you better pay me back.
Okay, let's go pick some vegetables. I will sell them and pay your money back.
Come on, we have to go. It'll be so much fun.
Oh, all right, but this better be worth it.
You heard Chicken and Monkey fix their problem. They are back together. Yeah, Chicken is so rude.
This is so good.
Yeah, it's really delicious.
Crocodile, it was Chicken who took your egg and your baby. Look at her there. I will steal her egg and her baby. Let me see what she will do. Oh, Chicken, take it back. Take crocodile baby back. We can keep it for us. No, Chicken, please take it back. Take this baby back. I'm going for her. I'm going for her. I'm going for her. I thought I told you to take crocodile baby back. You took my... Oh my God! Oh my God! Crocodile, please leave Chicken alone.